Alrighty, what's going on, everybody? Of course, I am AJ Builds, and welcome to the first LEGO unboxing, which today we have a LEGO minifigure set. So it really should be an unbagging. If you could see that line at the top, I'm not sure if you can. That's because I didn't want to do the cutting in the video, but I didn't want to see which one I got. So I quickly cut it and then put the top back in and then held it like this. So let's see what we got inside. It's got a nice little packaging. And if I could get that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, or that one. Oh, sorry about that. I would be happy. Whoa. Look at that. You don't see it? But then you see it. Oh, crap. What does that keep doing? It's alright. You don't see it? Then you see it. Alright. Take the top off. This is 7101. Oh, let's see what we got inside. So put this back over there. And we got a nice little packet right here. So let's see what we got. Oh. So these are all the characters we get. That you could get. You have about 16, or exactly 16. I don't know why I said about. So yeah, and it's time for some Lego. There's a game called Lego Minifigures Online. Just type up playminifigures.com, and then the game will show up. And this is one of the codes get which character I have gotten. AD6-9X6-7U6-966.